Hi, I'm Julia, a process analyst, or official spreadsheet organizer. And this was my routine. I spent a good part of my day trying to figure out which data was actually correct. The numbers were there, but always scattered across different places. There was always a different final version floating around. Spreadsheets, forms, PDFs, each one told a different story. In the end, the problem wasn't a lack of data. It was the lack of an integrated process. That's when I discovered SoftExpert Suite, the solution with workflows that organize everything right from the start. Every step happens exactly the way it should. No manual fixes, no lost versions. Now my routine looks completely different. Process solved. Data too.